We've announced $5.3 million to enable further work to be done on innovation, to look at the opportunities that technology will provide to ensure that people living with dementia can have some choices, but also for us to have choices about looking after a loved one who might be living with dementia.
And we've actually seen anywhere between a 60 and 80% reduction in incidences, which could be isolation, restlessness, agitation. So the staff on a one-on-one or in a very small group situation bring in the seal, and we help them and assist them to engage with the seal, and it's quite beautiful to see.
Technology, either through comfort or through the way we are able to track somebody and allow them to live independently, is tremendous.
Artificial intelligence and virtual reality is really a way forward for us in the future, and we need to start embracing that in home care and in residential care, because there's some great technology that's coming through that's going to enable people to remain at home for much longer, and to enable them to remain in a very safe environment as well. So I think we're going to see some brilliant things coming through Australia in the next few years, and I'm really looking forward to it.